What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, we are going to be reviewing a very simple tool to assist with floor tile installation, floor prep, also self-leveling for your concrete slabs. This right here is called EASYLEAN, your handy flooring assistant. Again, it's a super simple and basic tool that helps you with installing large format tiles, giving you more balance, less pain, and eases the burden on your back, your shoulders, and your arms. We're gonna jump right into it, guys. Unbox this, show you what it looks like, and head outside and show you how it works. Here we go. So here it is, guys. This is a simple hand tool, your flooring assistant. This helps to support your non-dominant hand when you are troweling your thin set and setting tiles. This also helps with rolling out your adhesives, grouting, spreading out your self-leveling concrete so that you don't get your hands up in that material. You have these rubber shoes here that you can easily take off. What we would mostly use this for when spreading out your thin set for floor tile installation, you can set and hold yourself up within the thin set and the ridges without disturbing the thin set or ridges. These ridges are not compromised, allowing you to simply work faster, cleaner, and smarter. Let's go outside and show you what I'm talking about. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is for demonstration purposes only. This will absolutely help when reaching over to spread out your thin set mortars. Helps with the back, helps with reaching and extending that arm and distance when you're troweling your ridges. It can also help when you are grouting your floors. It can help when you are rolling out primer on your substrates or spreading out your self-leveler. Now this simple tool helps for you to reach over while you're troweling your thin set without disturbing the thin set mortar. You can simply place this within the ridges and continue to trowel. Just like that. These ridges are not compromised, so you can continue and set your tile quicker and easier, and with less of a mess. Well, there it is, guys, a very basic and simple tool to help with your tile installation for flooring, whether they're small or large format, whether it's small areas or large areas, simply to reach over to not only set the tile but trowel your thin set mortar. This also can assist when you're priming your floors, your substrates, grouting your floor using the rubber feet, or spreading out your self-leveling concrete. A great little tool for back support, arm support, and stretching and reaching farther than you normally can. As usual, links will be in the description below with pricing and specs on this tool. If you want to see future Tile Tool Tuesdays, don't forget to tap the subscribe button down there if you like this video and you want to help my channel. Best way to do that is to tap the like button down there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.